Thank you so much, thank you. Thank you so much, thank you.
Thank you very much.
So what you're going to learn here today is how do you refit and remove the near side mirror on a BMW R NineT Racer.
It's showtime.
So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to lay down some soft material where you'll be placing all of the parts that you're about to remove for your R NineT Racer. Classic superbike, classic race bike. Brilliant. And we're going to need to do the same on this side as well. Don't use an extension on this occasion, because you won't be bashing into this is going to be a big job rebuilding this. This is just to get to the air filter. Luke Wright is using his hand to not, so the ratchet does not smack into that stunning, beautiful BMW paintwork. Just needs a little bit more time. Could this be any more complicated? Of course it could. Of course it could. Of course it could be more complicated. As far as we're aware, the air filter has not been changed on the R NineT Racer. You just get as far as you can. It looks like we may actually have to remove the fuel tank just to get to the air filter. Oh, that's the choice of race bikes. Just through the bolt. Because you don't want to be letting this damage the same white paintwork. Yeah, you just need to be careful. Okay, and clear. Alright. A little bit of corrosion, but then to be expected, I guess. Same technique. Remember, keep the bolts where they were, in the part they were, in the same order, so you don't lose the bolts and so you remember where they go. So you're going to need your bolt in one hand while you're lining up the mirror. And we're doing it by hand, for feel. Feel is really important. There it goes. Oh, just time to get some thread. Kudos to BMW engineering. So use your Torx bolt, your T30 Torx bolt, just to help bring the Torx bolts in. Try not to scratch the surface. Try not to. Get the Torx bolt and extension, that's always a good idea. Okay. All that. Looking pretty good. And then we take a ratchet tool. And then just got to make sure everything's nice and tight. Yep. It's feeling pretty good. That one go as well. Not going anywhere. Thanks for watching, everybody. Refitting is filling apart. Once you're done, you're done. Thanks for watching.
The little rascal has spirit. As water.
This is the end of the trail for me.
Thank you.
Thank you, kid.
Let's drink a cup of tea. Yeah.